how to change your keyboard on iOS 14. That's what I'm going to show you guys in this video. So let's get started right away. So I do recommend downloading a trustworthy keyboard, because you have to give full access to that keyboard. And yeah, if it's like a really suspicious keyboard, I don't know, it might do some weird stuff and stuff like that. So for example, Gboard, it's probably like one of the most downloaded custom keyboards, and it's from Google, so that's totally safe. So all you have to do is just open it, and usually with almost every keyboard it will like give you these steps. So there's a couple steps you have to do before you can enable it. So currently it says tap keyboards, turn on Gboard, turn on allow full access. So if you click on get started, you will end up right here on Gboard, and if you click on keyboards right there, you want to enable it just like this, and then also allow full access. So if you click on that, it says full access, allow the developer to use this keyboard to transmit anything you type, including things you have previously typed and stuff like that. So that's what I meant with download a trustworthy keyboard, because as you can see, you have to allow full access to that keyboard. So click on allow, and then right there it says tap on hold to globe icon, tap Gboard to switch to keyboard. So on the bottom left you can see the globe icon. If you click on that, now we have switched to the Gboard keyboard. So if you click on got it, and right here you can also change the what's it called, keyboard settings and stuff like that. And if you go to YouTube, for example, then search for a video, you can see that your keyboard has changed just like this. So yeah, that's basically it. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.